In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the password of your WordPress website. So, if you want to learn how to change the password to your WordPress website, keep watching. Hello guys, this is Sadiq here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So, if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. So to change the password of your WordPress website, you need to go to Users, then click on Profile, and scroll down to Account Management, then New Password. Click on Set New Password. Then in here, you enter the password you want to use. So first of all, you can decide to hide it, but I always prefer to show it before I type. So I enter in my password. So this is the password I want to use. Then I scroll down to the bottom, click on Update Profile. Profile updated and the password is changed. Now, if you also want to learn how to change the username to your WordPress website, I have a video on that which I'll link in the description down below so that you can check it out. You see that the username in here is grayed out, meaning it will be very difficult to change it. So there's a way you can do that, and I'll leave a link in the description down below to that video. So that's it guys on how to change the password of your WordPress website. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future videos. Keep watching and I'll see you in the next video.